So now we're going to talk about a sector of a circle, and a sector of a circle is a region that's bounded by two radii of a circle in their intercepted arc. So it's going to be this purple shaded region here. Basically, I think of it as a sector as part of the area. So in the diagram, sector APB is bounded by AP, that's the radius there, BP, which is another radius, and the arc AB. So area of a sector, we're going to basically do this by doing ratios. So the area of a sector of a circle to the area of the circle is equal to the ratio of the measure of the intercepted arc to 360. So basically I'm taking the part, dividing it by the whole, and I'm setting it equal to the part divided by the whole. And what this does is it allows me to create a ratio where I can figure out these different pieces. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you an example. So right here, find the area of the shaded region. Well, what I need to do is I need to find the area of the sector. That's what I'm trying to find. Well, this is over the area of the circle. Has to be equal to our YZ, that arc, the measure, all of this over the entire 360 degrees that are in X. So replace the pieces. I don't know what the area of the sector is. That's what I'm trying to solve for. Area of the circle is pi times my radius squared, which is equal to, well, this is 135 degrees over 360. So I know that the area of my sector has to be equal to 121 pi times 135 divided by 360. And so I'm going to leave it in terms of pi here. So 121 times 135 divided by 360. And I get that this is equal to 45 pi. And then don't forget our units, it is meters squared.